let's go to the map view. In the map view, you can see we no longer have the observation lines, but we do have the break lines and the topo points. And if we take this line here as an example, we can edit the lines. So if I select that line, right click, I can then select append point to line. Then I select another point and it's connected. Another point, connected. Another point, another point, connected. And so if we, let's see, okay, so if we select this line and we say reverse line, now that line is going in the opposite direction. So if I want to add a point to this end of this line, guess what's going to happen? Append point to line. So now if I select this point, it will add a point to that line, but the other end of that line somewhere over here. So that's what the reverse line function is for. So we will undo that, and then I'm going to hit escape to clear what I'm doing. I will select this line, reverse line again. Now I'm back to the original direction, and I can select the line and append point to line, and now it's going to function as desired. So know where the reverse line function is. Now if I wanted to, let me hit escape. Alright. If I wanted to add this point to the middle of a line somewhere and not to the end, I would select the section of line and then insert point to line. So what's going to happen is this line will connect from here to there over here. Voila. And then, oops, I should have hit escape there. So let's escape, undo. There we go. So that is line editing. If we want to edit a point, we can do it in a couple ways. We could go to the Points tab and select it and Properties and make some adjustment here. Perhaps we wanted to change the code. There's all of our codes. If we, for some reason, wanted to change a coordinate, we could do it here. Like say a rod height, you could change the elevation here if you calculated it from a change in rod height. Probably a better place to change a rod height would be in the actual observation. So let's say 0.500. We had the incorrect reflector height. The rod was not 1.8, it was 2. And apply, OK. Now, what else should we do? Compute coordinates. And if we watch, let's go to where the coordinates, let's see. So this is 0.500. What I was going to do is take you to the coordinates for 0.500, and we'll hit compute and watch them change. So let's see if we can get to 500. 500. Alright, the height is what's going to change. So it's going to change by what? 20 centimeters. So it's either going to be 308 4280 or 308 080. So compute coordinates. 308, well, I guess I should say 1308.080. That is an example of editing the rod height. We can also select a point, right click, and hit properties, and we'll get all of these properties. We could change the code here. Color. This is more graphical stuff. Oh, there it is. Click on it, you get the drop down. Scroll, change the code. Thank you very much.